Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable activity-based personalization on Google Photos. How to disable activity-based personalization on Google Photos. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now here is the Settings menu. And here are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down and look for activity-based personalization. Now here you have found it. Tap here to disable activity-based personalization. And tap Turn Off and Delete. This feature functions to disable personalization based on activity in Google Photos, so that content is not adjusted to usage history. So that's it, tutorial how to disable activity-based personalization on Google Photos. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.